Hello my gorgeous darlings. I want to show you my new toiletry essentials kit. So I used to have this exact bag but in a different print. This is by Lily Bloom. I'm not a huge fan of her designs. A lot of them are very loud, but her organizational stuff is actually so good. Just especially this pouch. And I used to use this pouch when I used to waitress and keep all my essentials, because I'd be at the bar or at the restaurant all day. So I actually really loved mine, but I wasn't crazy about the print, so I ended up giving it away. And then I really missed that pouch and having this kind of organization, and I found a print that I really liked. This one has cats and sushi. It's so cute. It's really kitschy, and I just thought it was adorable. I would never carry a bag in this print, but interior pouches that are hidden inside of a bag, I would. Like my Hello Kitty wallet, so cute. Adorable. So while I like my bags to be a little chic, whatever, the interior stuff can be totally cute, which I don't mind at all. Okay, so I'm gonna show you everything that I have in this pouch. First of all, I really like the material. It's made of recycled polyester, and you can get them for a pretty good price online. I've even seen a lot under $10. This one was closer to the original price. It was brand new. I think I paid $25 for it altogether, with shipping. I found it on eBay. They have a lot on Poshmark and Mercari, so you can literally find this anywhere. Okay, so it's got 3 exterior compartments. You've got this, it looks like a snap closure, but it's actually Velcro. And in there, I keep my Bag Balm skin moisturizer. This stuff is amazing. If you have chafed, irritated skin, whether it's your lips, wherever on your body, this stuff is great and it doesn't irritate you. I've got really sensitive skin and it's amazing stuff. So I find with other kinds of chapstick and lip balm, you have to keep reapplying this stuff. You apply once and it will keep it moisturized and comfortable for hours. You don't have to. It actually improves the texture of your skin. Okay, and then we've got this dome shaped pocket with a zipper, and then in here I've just got meds. I've got my Ricola throat balm lozenges, and I've got my little plastic compartment of different pills ibuprofen, Midol, allergy, stuff like that. So that all goes in there, and you just want quick access. It's on the outside. So this horizontal pocket right here, I love how the zipper is kind of silver. Still coughing, sorry. Getting a little better every day, but the progression is slow, but I'm happy. I'm feeling a little better every day as it goes on. So it's a shallow pocket, but it's long. But the good thing about it being shallow is that I can put all the little things in there. Look at the gorgeous wasabi colored lining. It matches the wasabi blobs on the print. And these little black things kind of look like black bean or something, or black sesame, Asian black sesame. And the colors are so cute too. Or it's matcha colored, but it's got that matcha wasabi green. I keep all my nail stuff and little things here, my little Japanese tweezers, cuticle trimmer, my nail clipper, nail file by Japanese as well. I've got my more heavy duty cuticle clipper. And I've got a little pop-up razor for your eyebrows. If you don't have time to pluck, or you have a stray hair somewhere, you could just whoosh, and it kind of closes like a little box cutter. And I've got my little clear orange stick. So one side is pointy and the other side is slanted to push your cuticles. And I like, again, if this was deep, all the stuff would get lost in the bottom. So it's actually nice that it's shallow, so it gives you access to like small items. Okay, main compartment. Again, this is the same design as the Louis Vuitton toiletry with a little gap, pencil case kind of looking, and extended zipper to give it more flexibility. And you've got 3 compartments on the inside. Do you see what I mean with this like amazing organization? So on the right side, there's like lots of room. I just have a pen. This pen is from Global Garden. They hired us, the dance company I work for, to perform at their Christmas event. And then on this side, I've got my inhaler, my albuterol. I've got my Muji sewing kit. I've got my Vicks Vapor Rub. I've got Champagne Toast hand sanitizer. I've got Dionys goat milk peppermint hand cream. I really like the chapstick actually, but not easy to find. I've got some True Lime packets. They're made from real limes in case you have like a bottle of water and don't have access to lime wedge, you can freshen your drink up. And I've got some hydrocolloid plasters. Is that it? Yeah. And then on this side I've got all this room here. So look at all the stuff it holds. It's so flexible and it holds so much stuff, and I love that you can organize it all. I used to have everything in this pouch, but I mean, if you have everything in one pouch, it is really beneficial to have it clear so you can see where everything is. But this is also nice if you want more privacy and you want everything kind of organized into their own little compartments. This is better when you're driving. Sometimes when I'm driving and I'm trying to get stuff out of here, I'm like, dump it all out in my bag. It's just like messy. I'm like trying to look for shit because it's all together. But this is easier, especially if you're driving and you need access. Like I know what's in here and I know everything, you know, what's in each compartment. So, and then there's this little wristlet. Unfortunately, you can't detach it. It's like permanently on there. But again, it's easy if you need to go to the toilet. Oh, I forgot to show you the inner compartment. So this is the center compartment. And inside I just have girly products. Keep your girly products in there. Got tampons in there. And then I also have my poopery spray if you're in a public loo and it stinks and you don't like the way people smell and whatever they're doing. So you can create a little heaven in your own stall and make this smell nicer. So yeah, so it's great. So all together you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 compartments in one little pouch. Isn't that amazing? So that's that, and I hope you enjoyed my review of this Lily Bloom wristlet organizer pouch. Bye!